When will the Prime Minister release his financial records? Andrew Holness gives a timeline to TVJ News. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, what of the Goat Island project? Is it dead?
Teachers Association speaks out on auxiliary fee controversy.
Part 3 of the people who feed the nation, vendors in the spotlight.
In business news, the latest petrol prices.
There's also health reports, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, have you prepared for the hurricane season? If so, how?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.